This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting only what matters: syllabi, rubrics, and your LMS grade export. Open a spreadsheet and import the CSV. Make a backup copy immediately. Once done, create 2 columns, missing work and assignment weight percentage. Prioritize tasks by weight and due date. Start with high weight, past due items. Make sure to note instructor policies on late credit and regrades. This sets the foundation, so every next step targets the highest return fixes rather than busy work. You now act. Prepare a concise, respectful email to request regrades or extensions and attach clarified questions. Be specific. While waiting, redo the highest value assignments using each rubric criterion as a checklist. Save drafts and timestamps. Once done, use focused work blocks of 25 to 50 minutes, eliminating distractions and logging completed checklist items. Make sure to submit revised work through the official channel and confirm receipt. This concentrated execution converts effort into measurable grade gains. Finish by verifying that grade changes appear in the LMS. Take screenshots and note timestamps for records. If grades don't update within the expected window, send a polite follow-up and request a brief meeting. Bring your rubric checklist, revised files, and timestamp screenshots. Once done, recalculate your projected final percentage to confirm improvement. If problems persist, escalate to the department chair only after you've shown documented attempts and instructor communication. This closes the loop and protects you if further review is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.